Okay, guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can do an Ionic 5 chat with PHP and MySQL using Angular. Angular 8 is the version or 7, I don't know, but it's the newest version of Angular. So let's get this started. As you can see, this is my application. So there's a lot of things that you can do here, such entering the chat. So you can see home, these words of Spanish words that makes sense for me. On this is the menu, this is the username, this is a profile icon. So the main application of this is to try to contact another user and just share information. So when you do something like this, you can try to contact someone, and okay, you just contact. As you can see here, I got the contact list. So contact, this is the contact list. After this, you can choose whenever you want about the contact. So I need more information here because my application is not finished, but I'm sharing with you the chat options. So when you reach here, you can see a lot of great stuff. um, mm, okay. Okay, as you can see, there is a chat. Let me just show you something real cool here. Okay, responsive. Okay, this is the chat. So as you can see, you can type like something, hello friend, hello YouTube. Um, you wait like 5 seconds, and you can see here when it's finished, you're gonna get it here. So I'm gonna show you something real quick about the logic of this. Um, okay, the logic of this is right here. So ng underneath, when you reach the page, you will get you will go for this function. This is just parameters, sender and emitter. I just manage this as the one like is sending the message, and the one is you are sending. So imagine this is you, and this is the other people, the other one that you want to tell something. So Ionic 5, it's very difficult, but the application is very simple. So when you get the parameters, you're gonna call this function to get all the message and display on the chat. So when you go to get message options, mm, you're gonna make a request. So the request, as you can see, there's an HTTP client. It's okay. It's a request for your you know just like your app API. So your database should look like this. Let me tell you something. I got okay, this one like this. So you can try to make MySQL database on a table, just a table like this. This is an ID, this is another ID of a person, and this is the real message. And you get the date. So where is the logic? I mean, there's a lot of things that you should know about MySQL. So I'm gonna try to explain. Okay. Uh, okay. Sketch online. I don't know, but I just want to show you something real quick. So, oh yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, imagine imagine this is Ionic, and this is your um. As this is Ionic. This is Ionic, and this is your database, MySQL. Okay, this is SQL or another thing you wanna do. So when you go on in it, you're gonna ask this. You're gonna ask all the message, all the message of between the connection of two people, ID, ID2. So it's gonna process and it will give you back all the message in a JSON format. So you're gonna display it. You display it to a user. This is the user. After this, you're gonna make a thread. You're gonna make a thread that it's always calling every 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, it's gonna ask the server if there is an update on the message, and you're gonna ask JSON. So you're making polling here. This is called polling, and you're gonna attach to the user. How this works? Let me explain you. Okay, so when you start on ng on init, you go to these functions. This will give you all the message. After that, you're gonna do this. Do something is another function, and then through the do nothing. Do something is the thread. When you call do something, it will return new promise, resolve, reject. It will set timeout. It's gonna call this message, the same function, and it's about to call this do something, then through the and when it's finished, the process is gonna console log finish. As you can see, this is the most exciting part because you can set the time here if you want, just like 2,000 seconds. I mean 2 seconds. It will ask the server every 2 seconds. So what's another question from you? Okay, if you want just to if you're asking how to attach your shit to HTML, you go to get message, you're gonna get the JSON. Just you're gonna get the JSON object. Like uh, data comes like this. Uh, Data equals. There's a lot of information here, and a lot of information here about the message. Um, so after that, this dot message equals data. Uh, you're gonna ask you're gonna do your IO list with let message of message, and you're gonna make your style ng if. You can attach an if. So uh that's how the part of one is to the right and one is to the left work with this if this sender equals to the person one, it's gonna attach it to the left or to the right. This is the way you place the information of the PHP code. And that's all. I'm gonna if you have any questions, you can just try to mm, post it. So I will try to you know to answer. Have a nice day.